Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to start end-to-end encrypted chats and enable disappearing messages on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So end-to-end encryption means only you and the person you're chatting with can read the messages, not even Meta. All the messages, media and calls in that chat are fully private and secure. So all you can do is simply tap open your Messenger app. Once you open the Messenger app, you need to simply tap on the new chat or simply open the chat itself. Now simply tap on that particular person or particular group you are in, and once you have done, you can find this lock option in the privacy and support section once you touch the profile. So you can simply tap on verify end to end, and once you have verified the end to end section, your message with that particular person will now be encrypted. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.